We're opening at the bottom of the most recent range. So you'd think there'd be a little bit of push up, which would be pretty nice to see for a sell signal. Um, but I've got to. Oh, I just realized what I got to do.
It's not going to get.
Just hanging around 76. A lot of chop there before. There's probably a decent long coming out of it. If you got the risk to take, it's a pretty big one, but still probably a decent coming out of it. Now that all of a sudden becomes counter there. I think you guys just wait for a rally here and let's try to sell one. Try to sell a rally. Yeah, let's do that. So proud of you guys in Premiere yesterday. So proud of you guys. You guys jumped on it immediately. We're like, hey, let's do this. Everybody was like, all right, let's do it. Everybody just jumped on it right away. Most people did, I think. Ain't got runners. Michael was in sim. Just in full disclosure. Michael did his in sim. Most people did it in micros. But still, kept our streak alive. We're gonna do. I'm gonna get with you guys. I'm gonna spend a couple minutes see if we can grab one on Premier Clubhouse. Rather right after closing session this morning, too, guys. If anybody's down for it, you guys down for a little quick try to grab a trade on a Friday Premier Clubhouse? Anybody?
Wish I could. I'd be with you.
Anybody? Taylor, you've got a meeting you got to be at 11.
Yeah. I was going to say, Taylor, I can't go. You can't go.
Yeah, if Coach Paul can't go, you can't go.
And it don't work that way.
Nope. And I'll be listening in on the meeting too. Maybe you can do both. Maybe you could do both. All you gotta do is press the freaking button if I say go. You can listen in. I'll be listening in on the meeting. I'll be in there with you guys. But if I see a trade, I'm gonna call it out too.
Yeah, this is taking forever.
All right, well, guys. Anybody take that long? I know it's a big risk long, but your target's off and you're profitable. Did anybody take the long I talked about? Nobody? What's wrong? Everybody losing faith in Coach Brian these days? It's okay if you are. I'm not losing faith in myself.
Me neither. And you.
All right. It's got to be Isaac. All right. Isaac got some money. All right. Lincoln's in it. Okay. Somebody made a little bit of money on it. I told you it was a bigger risk trade, guys, but it'd probably make money. Good job, Isaac. Good job, Lincoln. Make sure you guarantee yourselves profits. And put a generous stop in. And when I say generous, I mean generous stop. Until it gets closer to the 89. And then you can squeeze the stop up to. Actually, you could have a decent stop now. 86. That's a little far back. Like I said, generous. If you really are worried about it, you could probably be at 88. That's a little tight, though. I would just leave it back until it creeps its way up here towards 89 and then squeeze it up. Oh, come on, get that other contract. Do it. Do it.
was
And then
looking for the
look at that
short.
Celsius. Yeah, I mean, but again, it's still the same thing. I mean,
I was
we're
looking for the short here.
still looking at the same thing that we've seen all week, though. You're still getting
Yeah.
pretty. I mean, look how fast that happened. That short.
Yeah, it was real
That went
quick.
from 924,
Look at that candle, man.
right?
85 all the way up to 92.5. Yeah, it's
10
seven,
point,
eight
10,
point
18,
candle.
and then you had an 8 point move. One, wait,
This is quick. It's gonna be
15 seconds. You had a 12 point move. About 20 seconds. 12 point move. That's normal, right, guys? That's all normal. 12 point moves in 20 seconds. No? Yes? Maybe? Why's everybody so quiet now? Everybody was talking earlier. Debo show up? Is he here? Is Debo here? Is that why everybody's so quiet? I wasn't asking you anyway, Lulu. Just kidding. I love Lulu. Everybody knows that. Thank you. Um, okay, is this intentional too? Uh, See, look at what I sent to Ching. There's that too. Something funky. There's something afoot. There's a cell signal coming right now, people. A big one, but it's still a cell signal. One that I'm going to take a shot on.
yeah.
Get in.
Like I'm in twice in the other room too. That's because I'm in on two computers.
You know, that's a big risk, but I'm willing to take it because it looks like a good big EM here. And there you go. Target's off. And I'm flat. That lasted every bit of 20 seconds. You could stay in it. If you got more risk tolerance, you can stay in it. But I'll take the scalp for now. Oh, I'm having all kinds of little issues this morning. Still managed to make a little bit of money. Tell them over there. I don't know.
You're muffled to me, but I don't know if that's my headphones or yours. There we go.
9:30. I'm just running from Paul at this point, just to mess with you. And that is erratic open.
Heck,
So
me now. I'm chasing you from room to room.
I know. I told him I was running from you just to screw with you. All right. We're definitely
it's 9:30,
we're
we're
definitely
open.
waiting our 6 minutes this morning, guys.
Yeah.
So just be patient. You had that long signal. You had the short signal. I gave you 2 winning trades. If you didn't take them, that's cool. If you did, cool. Lincoln made money. Did anybody do the M short and get some money on that with me? Until it opened? All right, Wesley, that's fine. I mean, you look at this on the tick chart, it looks like normal candle price action. Look at it on the range chart. 2 candles on. It's like, I'm gonna switch to my ludicrous ATM. What? You have a ludicrous ATM?
Ludicrous ATM.
Yeah. Middle of the Georgia Dome.
There you go.
Stop it, crazy one. It's gotta stop it. I'm gonna get a winning trade here in a second. It's gonna be a big risk one, guys, but that's what's gonna. I'm just telling you what's gonna happen right now. Taking that. Should have taken that short. If you have the risk to do it, you could do it.
Any contracts over 20? Did I miss some? Oh, wow. Okay, Isaac, cool. How are you getting the same fill? That's insane. Are you using a trade copier? That's awesome. Oh, just trade a copier. Okay. All right, let's see what here. You might could look for a short here.
I told you guys I was going to take a big risk on it. So
Oh, I missed it. Oh man, I just dropped my order as it went past it.
I'm still going to try again.
Oh, you got to be kidding me, Paul. Yep. Don't chase it. Oh, it's gonna come back up.
That's what you got to do on a day
Man,
like
I
today.
could not
Take
get
a
in
big
that thing
risk.
fast enough.
Huge risk trade.
Might get another shot at it though.
You might do get another shot at it. Might do. That's crazy though. Just this price action is just absolutely absurd. You have to take this big of a risk to get some profits.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're
and I
not
didn't have my.
not trading these with small stops today.
Huh?
So
No,
I'm
you
not
can't.
trading.
It's
I'm not trading
impossible to
these.
trade with small stops. And then this is still going to end up being a losing trade because of this. It's ridiculous. Yeah, there you go. I'm not trading this anymore. Done.
I switched to micros. I'm trading micros
Yeah,
today.
trade it micros, people.
I don't want to
I'll
take that
switch to
kind of
sim.
risk.
I had a couple decent winners so far, so not too bad off.
Here it comes. There it goes.
And there, and see this what happens. You got the bigger M,
There you
bigger
go.
sell signal here. Looks like
Bigger
junk on the
risk.
range chart. You would have just got,
Jeez.
and then you would
It's
just got
still gonna
targets off,
first target off, and it's gonna take me out.
come right
Boom.
back and take you out. Yeah, that's
I'd
that's
have
a
to. Yeah, it's just
big risk
too
trading,
much
people.
risk for me. I'll wait.
Watch the range chart. This is what I told you guys to do. If you really can do it and you can take the risk, watch the range chart. Let this thing swing to our zones. It's respecting the zones. It has it all week long. If you really, really want to trade this, let it swing up to the zone just like it just did. Give you a sell signal from the range chart. You're most likely not going to get your stochastics on the tick chart where you want them to be. The odds of that happening when you have 7-point candles and 10-point candles are very slim.
Slim to none. Yep.
Okay. So you got to start influence. First time rally after the zone, sell signal. Now, so trade from the zones. Speaking of, another update. Never mind. I'm still short on Tick Century, by the way, people. It just keeps going up, getting me some contracts and going back down and making money. Same setting. All right, I said my piece over there. Uh, all right. Pinpoint your entries with limit orders.
And pinpoint your entries with limiters. Yeah.
Yeah, you could even
There's,
do that. Like you
there's
could
your
do.
short.
I mean, if I really wanted to be a perfect entry person, right? I'm gonna put a limit order, like a sell limit, sell. Put that there. But then that's gonna be a pinpoint entry.
I'm telling you, this thing's gonna eat you alive.
Eat you alive. That's what I'm
It's
talking
going.
about.
See,
You
that's a
want to do
prime
this?
example. He just showed you what not to do.
Yeah. And then
And
you'd
now,
have a winning trade. You'd have to
there
take
you go. You, you got to be
more
laser entry.
more risk than you could possibly imagine. And then like maybe you had a limit order sitting at the top of the zone. Great, that worked. That would be luck.
But it's guessing. It's not trading.
It's guessing. It's
Yeah.
not trading.
I mean, you just showed it. You literally just showed it on the chart. It came up, took you out, went a little bit higher,
Soon, a
and
little bit
dropped.
higher, turns around, goes back down, makes a winning trade.
So either you need a big stop or you just
Huge
don't
stop.
trade this.
Huge stops.
Just be patient,
Or
guys.
micros with huge stops. It's fine.
Or
You gotta
micros
be
with
patient.
huge, actually, micros with huge stops would work. That'll work.
Shit. Oh, I'm just kicking crap out of myself.
Did you? Were you in
Oh my
cash?
god. I thought I switched to sim.
You did that in cash? I've been there, done that.
Oh, that's a kick in the teeth, people.
But you know what? Just
Woo. Good thing I already made $3,000 on Tick Century this morning, and I just gave most of it back. Oh, that hurts your
I've
gut,
done
doesn't
that
it?
before. Think I'm in. I've done that coaching. I'm sitting there showing people things, just taking trades, thinking I'm in sim and
It took
I'm
me
in
all the way back
cash.
down to 1,200. It took me back to the 1,200 in profit.
All right,
Oh
well,
my
you know what?
gosh.
That's still pretty good. More than most people could aspire to. So take it.
You give back $2,000 like that? Ugh, ugh,
Well,
disgusting. I don't like doing that. That's not my style. That means I'm done. I'm done, guys. I will get another runner. Dang it. Well, we've all done it. See, I'm human. See it, people? Taylor, Dan, you guys finally find out. I'm human. Screwed this one up. And I told myself I was switching to Sim too. You guys, I told you guys I was switching to Sim. No comment from Taylor. Oh, but that's the other thing too about trading. Learn it, get over it fast, move on. It hurt my. I still have that feeling in the pit of my gut that oh, like you get punched in the gut feeling. I still have that, but I'm over it. Moving on to the next one. Just not gonna trade anymore this morning. I was willing to take another bigger risk trade, but that wasn't the one I wanted to do. I would have liked to see a nice little clean double top like the prior one, and I would take a bigger risk on that. These are the trades for today: double tops, double bottoms, guys. If you really want to trade, you're going to get laser focus on the double top or double bottom. Those will make you money today. If you really want to trade, you still got to use a bigger stop. That's what you do, unfortunately. Unfortunately, that's what you got to do. I thought this thing would be down. They're waiting at 10 o'clock. Somebody's pushing this up to slam it down, baby.
let's go to the pivot.
Watch this, and we'll see. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna move the zones slightly just because we didn't hit that lower one that I moved it to. But I seriously do not think that anybody in the right mind is going to think that the consumers have very good sentiment about what we're doing. And boom, there it is again.
Setting up.
Mm-hmm. Trade this market, or if you're okay with using bigger stops, you can trade this market. Paul, I do not disagree with you, Paul. A few things. It appeared then I closed
Is
the
it
trade.
Mike? Is it a sim account that's showing the ghost order?
I just created a new sim account and never went
If
back
it
again.
is, just go into your control panel, click on the account, the sim account, right click on it, go to edit, and hit reset, and that'll get rid of of it. You bet. It's going to the pivot, people. It's going to the pivot. 1, 2, 3, 3 tab there. 4, 5. She's a trying.
5.
I think it goes through.
I just can't.
Breakout traders. Yeah, they'll scalp up to the pivot if it breaks out. Not for me, just talking out loud. There it goes. Anybody take that? There you go. Profit. Target. Nice, Westy.
Good job, guys. Some people are doing things right.
Yeah. I mean, I gave you plenty of time to take it.
You guys are doing things.
I am being very patient. It's a Friday, and I don't want to go. I don't like red weekend coming back down through. If you wait for a setup, though. Nope, it's going to fail. There you go.
Yeah,
Come
there's
on.
short.
There it is. If it can hold below the
Take a
pivot,
risk.
it's got to hold below the pivot, though. I don't think it wants to. Now, here's another thing. If it breaks this, it's going to go. It's going to continue to run. If you're in, hold on to that one, Westy. Oh, you're done? Okay. Yeah, 6-8. Westy, man, you've been doing good the last couple of days.
Yeah, I was about to say, well,
Good job, Westy.
Westy, a couple pats on the back myself. Been doing pretty darn good, buddy.
I like it.
I know. These are the things I like
Yeah.
to see people too. That
Be careful on the NQ, Jim. Be real careful right now. This is
damn much up much longer, but I'm still gonna put a zone there. Take this guy down to the bottom. Lock set levels. There you go.
yeah, that's smart, Westy. Whatever you're doing, man, keep doing it. It's working. 30-point candles. Which honestly, 30-point candles is
Point candles.
not bad compared to what it's been in the last couple
I
of
mean,
days.
look at this.
100-point candles. Here's your
Yeah.
short. It's trying to short.
Look at that one candle on the ES right there. That's 23 to 15.
There it goes.
7-point candle. The one just formed. 33 to 22. 11-point candle. 11 points. And one candle, guys. Come on. The fact that we've actually made money this week trading should be making everybody happy. Right?
We're not going to give it back on a Friday, guys.
Come on, guys. Let's not give it back on Friday. The fact that we actually made a little bit of money trading this week, we should be happy, guys. I didn't get the blow-up emails. I got a couple people who did screw up. They know who they are, but they kept their losses small, which is great. They walked away. They stayed away from crazy stuff. I mean, I'm proud of you guys. Most of you guys did really, really well this week being patient.
Wow.
There's something to be said for that, Paul.
Yeah, there's a lot to be said for that.
Most
I mean,
of you,
and I'll be real honest. I'll be honest
Paul
with you.
didn't get the messages he normally
No,
gets.
I was just about to say that. I mean, typically, I would be getting blown up emails, and I didn't. I mean, either you guys aren't telling me, or I mean, we're being reserved.
did our
We're being
job.
conservative. Yeah, we did something right.
Dude,
Very often.
Travis, think about it like this. If you're 500 negative this week and that's it,
Yeah, it's not even your fault, dude. So
yeah, that's still a win this week. I mean, come on. That's a win, buddy.
Guys, anybody that finished this week
The
positive,
only the
pat yourself on the back. This is a
I gotta
tough
be
week.
honest with, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The only way I made money this week is with
Yeah.
almost. Well, I had trades. We had the winner yesterday in the Premier Clubhouse. I've had like but all. The only way I've made money is with Tick Century this week. That's
I'm
it.
not.
You
Both
guys.
mine are at profit. I'm not trading it anymore. I'm done. Walking away. I'm
Yeah,
up
good.
600 in one account and 302.
Every single day.
It's a must.
What? Probably what, like $7 grand this week, something like that. $6 grand. Not a big week. Had been huge. Yeah, I think it's like $6 grand, right? Close to it. Not quite.
Somewhere around there.
Close to six
Yeah.
grand. Yeah, and that whole $6 grand came from Tick Century. That's it.
Most of it
There's no
did.
way I could have traded this without it. With huge point spreads too.
It is price action, Travis. This has been tough, man. You like this week on Tick Century, you had to spread
It
your
is.
entries.
It's trap
You
price.
couldn't use your typical spreads. I'm
Yeah,
using higher spreads.
you can't even here. Like you can't even use our typical
I,
entries.
I mean, let's be honest. If you don't adjust for the market and if you don't read the chart correctly, there's no automation in the world's going to help you. It's still going to
No.
fail. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't. It's just one of those things where you gotta you gotta adjust for the market and trade accordingly. Set the settings according to what you're seeing on the charts, and
Bingo.
it works. Why do you think Brian's so consistent with it? Because he's actually, truth be told, he's kind of you're. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I know. I think I've figured out what you're doing. You're using the zones as your spread, right?
Absolutely, buddy.
That's what I figured.
Because I know my zones work.
Right. I kind of figured that out over the last
So
couple of days.
I
I
let
see
it
what you're
have
doing.
I let it have like a 28 tick spread, and then I moved my limit orders to the zones.
Yeah, I
Um,
saw that.
and then that way it takes profits quicker than normally. Like instead of having a 40 tick spread,
I mean,
and then I just move the targets to the zones, and
full.
boom, there you are.
Yeah, and honestly,
It's money.
Travis, on the ES, I just scalped my way to $600 today. I just didn't, and if I'd have done like Brian, I'd have been up a whole lot more.
You'd been up $3 grand exactly, and some change.
It does not work. No, you cannot. Yes, that's a
Sell
good
six.
point. You cannot use Joel's chart trader with Tick Century, guys. You have to use the regular chart trader
Correct.
because there's something they don't communicate. They don't talk. They don't like each other.
Well,
They're not
one's
friends.
Spanish and one's American, and they probably
That's right.
one's
One's from
speaking
Mexico, and one's
English
from
and
here.
one's speaking Spanish.
There's a
One
communication
program speaking
barrier.
Spanish.
Yes, Hugo wrote it in Spanish. Tick Century is Latino.
Speak Spanish.
Tick Century.
Hugo, if you're listening, I hope you're laughing.
Yeah, I've
Well,
known that for a while.
guys, again, for those of you on trial, it looks like a couple people on the trial have been with us for a while, but just so you guys know, this, I mean, again, we're being very, very patient and conservative this morning because it's Friday. It's Get Green. We call it Get Green, Get Going Friday. B, the market is still acting crazy like it has all week. And C, when you're having 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 point moves in matters of seconds on the ES, you're going to assume that's probably the same case for every index. So we're having people. We like to trade from our zones, sure. We'd like to take this sell signal, but how fast did that happen right there? That was this one sell signal right here. In a normal day, we'd had profits and had our stops, just laying back and just chilling, relaxing, let this thing run down on a normal day, wouldn't we, guys?
Yep. But this has not been a normal week.
I mean, you had that sell signal happen in seconds flat, 6, 7 points there in 6 seconds flat. and you'd have to still take a huge risk. You'd still have to stop with a big stop because of the volatility. I mean, ATR still got to be somewhere around. If I had to guess right now, probably about 22.
ATR, I can tell you, it's at 21, 21,
Isn't that amazing, guys? I don't even need ATR on my screen. I can take a wild guess.
80
I
on
was
the
one
NQ.
point off, one tick off. Isn't that amazing?
That's a high
So,
ATR for a yes. Woo.
but no, think about it. I just guessed 22, and it was
Mhm.
21 exactly. Guys, who was in class last week when we talked about this? You don't need ATR. Look at how fast the amount of candles are moving. Do a little math on your own. Stop letting computer programs do everything for you. That's the point I'm trying to make. Do some math on your own. This is pretty simple math. Okay, that candle's 17 to 23. That's 6 points. That one is probably another 6 points, 7 points. Do a little bit of math there. That's all you gotta do. You can see it. You can see these candles moving fast. I can't myself about that. Still have that feeling in the pit of my gut.
I was trying
Made
to
me
slow down a
sick.
little bit. What time? Oh, we got 4 minutes to news.
That made me sick, Paul.
Yeah, I mean, I can't say I haven't done it, so
I know. We've
I've
all
been
done
there,
it before. That one just
been there,
got me.
done that.
That
So
one really bothered me. That one got me. That one got me good. Oh
I think the
well.
best one
Oh,
yet is when when
what'd you
Ninja
say?
put. I still think the best one was when back. Remember when Ninja
He
logged
does.
me into someone else's account and I was trading their
You made him
account.
$400 on
I
a
made
hundred
that.
dollar
I made
account.
some guy $400 in his account.
On a $100 account.
Yeah, he had $100 account, and I made him 400. Boy, he was a happy man. I wonder if they took that away from him.
No, they can't.
No,
I
I
guess
guess
they have
not.
to
Right?
keep it.
They had to
He
keep
has
it
to keep it.
because
Yeah.
yeah,
Made that guy 400. I remember that too.
yeah.
I was gonna call another cell signal there, guys, but I mean, okay, what are you gonna do? This is erratic.
Oh wow, Lulu. Yeah, that works just the same way, the other way around. Yeah, that was a sell signal, low or high.
On Sim. Dude, I'd be on Sim this morning anyway. But your limit order's spot on. I mean, your limit orders are spot on, Lulu, so cannot argue with that. And we're getting ready for the news here in a couple minutes. This is going to be fun, guys.
2 minutes.
I told you they were going to push it up, slam it down, get ready to press the sell button.
She gonna dump.
Get ready to press the sell button. I told you exactly what was going to happen, people. If you want to do it and you want to make some money, switch this baby over. Get ready to do this. I'm going to use a crazy ATM. My crazy one. Literally says crazy one. And let's let this puppy roll. You know what? Actually, I'm going to use the stop at ATM. The one I made yesterday. Should give me enough cushion to get this big move in. You got the account size. You can put me on this on the news, but if you don't have the account size, don't do it. They're going to push it up to knock it down like I told you. I got to switch to the other thing here. I got to take my big time profits. It's going to knock me out. Oh, so exciting. All right, here we go. I'm ready to go. So exciting. Seconds.
There we go.
Told you.
There's the short. You had to be quick.
It's coming again in a second, guys. But again, you gotta be quick. And I pressed. I am not risking my cash. That's why I didn't do it, because I didn't change the sim. I just realized I didn't change it to sim before the news, so I didn't do it, guys. That is why I did not do that. That's why you didn't see it. Because I'm not going to make the same mistake twice in a day. There's another. I mean, there's another one, but that's another short. But,
Nope.
and you got targets off. I mean, that's all you can do. And you're running, running. And I'm still short on 6th Century, by the way, guys.
Come on, baby. Break down. Nope.
We are below 5.
Yeah.
So,
It's
what did we
tough.
say? We said sell below 5. But you've got popped up into the zone. And if it turns around, you can try to do it. And you guys, you should be in sim or micros. Don't waste your cash. Just don't do it.
Get it fast enough. It hits my first target and takes me out.
Boom.
Yep.
Other target hit. It's now net one contract short. Anybody following Tick Century? That's what I'm doing. You guys know my settings from earlier. You know what I did. So if you're doing it in Tick Century, I'm just saying it in the main room too, because there's no real trade to be called in the main room. I can tell you that it's shorting, and every time it's gonna drop now. It's gonna fall through the basement now, guys. But push back up to that zone. Probably get a sell signal now from there somewhere. Get a wick out of that zone. And again, you're only trading this if you're in sim or in micro. But single time. See if it wicks on this one too. If you get a wick, you can probably make a couple. You can probably hit your target. But you're not getting a wick. Just
No John Wicks.
$240 swings on the YM. 140 swings on the YM. We're only seeing. Let mean, even the small swing, 30 points on the ES. Even the small swings at 30 points, guys. Am I looking at that right? Yeah. More than. Even the swings are more than 30 points. So, like, boom. Flat again for another scalp. And you're going to end up with another sell signal here in just a second, guys. Most likely right around this area. Around this magical yellow line and blue line sitting on top of each other. I don't think I need that blue line anymore. Wait a second. Oh, there it was. I mean, that happened so fast. The funny thing about it is none of the swings are making higher highs. Unless this one does now. Oof. Oh, man. Let's read what people are saying. Range short for me. 8 to 10 range. Nice, James. Great job. Good job, James. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Have fun. If you can't be safe, have fun doing it, buddy. Good range chart setting for the NQ. What would be a good range? I like 30 on the NQ.
Range 30 for 30.
I like a 30 range.
Yeah,
I mean,
30.
obviously, like James said, you might need to make bigger range charts, but I would do it in micros, people. Just again, I would just say stay in micros, and I'm missing one. Yeah, be done if you're having issues, Lulu. Just catching up, guys. I get so past few days I get so stuck looking at what's going on in the charts that I keep forgetting to read the chat.
Yeah.
I bet Paul's doing the same thing too.
I am doing exactly the same thing.
You get so stuck up on the on what's happening with the charts that
it's hard to multitask and trade and
this
everything
crazy.
else.
This crazy. I'm not going to trade this, but I'm just an entire week of just. How many retail traders got blew up this week? Just massively, just lost everything. There's got to be a lot of retail traders out there that just got their butts handed to them this week.
Retail
not
killer.
here at Liberty.
No,
I didn't. Again, I'm proud of you guys. Everybody here at Liberty Trade Club, guys. All of you guys. I'm proud of you guys. Super proud of you guys. Did anybody say that they wanted to do the premiere other than Taylor for a few minutes after we close down the session? Anybody else want to be in the clubhouse for a few minutes? See if we can grab one. Hello.
Anybody?
All right. Let me do a poll then. If it's 2 or 3 people, I'll jump in there with you guys. I'd like to grab one personally because I got to make up for that stupid mistake I made earlier. Got it. Oh, Dave's got to leave. All right. We got Jaw Cap. Gunter, you in? You want to do it? Any of you guys? PBR. Okay. All right, we'll go over there and try to do what we did yesterday. Grab a runner and close it down. Try to do it. If not, we'll just call it a week. We may actually just guys, we may actually just turn tick search around 1 or 2 times and call it a week. Wish I could. We're gonna talk. I'll call you as soon as I get done, Tom.
Welcome to Bree Trading Club. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us in the trade room, visit the link below in the description and start a free trial with us. Please like, subscribe, and share.